Okay, so here we are, and courtesy of Uncle Joey, we have some fresh pureed apples. Yes, Majito kinda likes it, but yes, it's a little tardy for him. Chew it. Good. He's sitting in his new Bimbo. Or Bumbo. Bumbo. His Bumbo seat. Oh, Majito. Where's your other arm at? There we go. So we're kind of having a little snack right now. It's 11:30. Okay. Yes. He's trying to be touchy-feely, but not quite yet. Come on. Gotta get it on top of your tongue, huh, Majito? Yummy, yummy, yummy. That's so good. Fresh apples are way better than that store-bought crap that has all that sugar in them. Yum, yum. Even Mommy will eat it, huh? Yummy, yummy. Fresh apples. There we go. Odie, get away. Go on. Don't need your slobber all over his toys. Come on. Lay down right here. Why do you keep leaning on that arm like that? Here we go. Good. Need your little banana. Woo, woo, woo. Some more apple. Whoop, that's a burp. That's a burp. Yum, there you go. Oh, sorry. Yep, thanks to Uncle, we have fresh apples. Nicely pureed fresh apples. It's a magic bullet. I can make anything with my magic bullet. And got a teething ring because he's biting the hell out of his hands. Lots of things. They're all things that he could chew on, pretty much. But no hands. No, no, no. No hands. You're gonna give yourself another blister. No more blisters. Say hi to everyone. Hi. Say hi to everyone. No, 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 no. No hands. Yes, he smells like apple juice. Hi, Hater. What you doing? Give Mama a smile. No, put it down. Go on. Jeez. Give everybody a smile. Go woohoo. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle. Leave your hands out of your mouth. Leave them out of your mouth. Okay, everyone, I just want everybody to see his Bimbo, or Bumbo, or whatever. Oh, not quite. He's seeing itchy, huh? I'll get it off in a second. Okay. Bye, everybody.